from design to delivery. We help the company increase brand awareness and sell more products. Specialized in customized design and production of various types of display shelves, hook displays, pallet displays, countertop display units, and advertising standees. OnePlus Display are proud of award-winning structural and graphics design team. We have the creativity to get customers' product noticed and the experience to consider printing, assembly, and shipping efficiencies into the design. The most advanced equipment in-house here ensure fast production lead time and good quality products for clients. For printing, rich experienced senior technician, operate color ratio, make sure the color match customers' needs. Each single step, there are qualified inspectors to conduct inspections. All steps approved by ISO 9001, Production Quality System, FSC Forest Management, and Environmental Protection Certificates, TPCH Material Test, and BV Transport Test, which make sure displays arrive safely. We also follow BSCI, support human rights, and embody the spirit of social responsibility. Work Smart is the one of OnePlus spirit. We have honored to offer global sales, covering USA, Australia, UK, Russia, South Africa, France, Mexico, and Germany. Your best cardboard display partner, OnePlus Display.